Hi everyone, I hope you're well. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make two delicious vegetarian curries that are really easy to make. I'll begin by making a red lentil curry called kati dal and then a red kidney bean curry. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's get started. To begin, wash 1 cup of red lentils. For the seasoning and spices, you'll need 1 teaspoon of salt, chili powder, coriander powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. For the tempering, you will need 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 1 dried chilli, 1 teaspoon of curry leaves and 1 clove of garlic, and you can garnish with fresh coriander and the juice of 1 lemon. Begin by boiling your lentils with 2 to 3 cups of hot water. Add your spices to the lentils and give it a good mix. After 8 to 10 minutes, your lentils will be soft. At this point, use a hand blender to blend half of the lentils. For the tempering, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and add garlic, curry leaves and your dried chili. You want to heat these for about a minute before adding your mustard and cumin seeds to the oil, and fry these for a couple of seconds until they start crackling. Next, you want to add your tempering to your lentils and give it a nice stir. And lastly, garnish with fresh coriander and the juice of 1 lemon. Kati dal is basically a sour lentil curry. It goes beautifully with plain basmati rice, and it's definitely a dish that I could eat pretty much every day of the week. Next, I'll be showing you how I make my red kidney bean curry. For this, you'll need half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, salt, chili powder, coriander powder and methi. You'll also need 1 cup of tomato puree, 2 tins of red kidney beans and 1 medium onion. Begin by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and fry your onions until they're soft. Add 1 cup of tomato puree and cook with the oil and onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, add your spices and cook this in the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add your kidney beans and mix with the spices and tomato sauce. Add half a cup of hot water. After 2 to 3 minutes, garnish with fresh coriander. These two vegetarian curries go beautifully with fresh chapati and basmati rice. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and it gives you some inspiration. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content coming up. Until next time, take care. Bye.